There's something I want to share with you, and I think you all are very much going to like it. You're gonna love what you see. Let's make the magics. Yes, show photo finish something. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, enough. It seems that I, Photo Finish, have found the next fashion star here in Ponyville. Yes, really, and I, Photo Finish, am going to help her to shine all over Equestria tomorrow at photo shoot in the park. I go. Yes, that will not be necessary. I am not going to help you shine across Equestria. I am going to help her shine. She's my star. You go. Fluttershy, it is time to make the magics. Oh, wunderbar, you're like a delicate flower, so much more alluring without all those sparkles and feathers. Too much blush. Not enough. Too much. Not enough. Perfect. Nervous? Don't be ridiculous. You're only facing a large crowd of ponies who will be watching your every move and silently judging you.